Good Wednesday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vazuri visiting with Ag Meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as WeatherValet. Chris, quite a bit of precipitation fell last night and the previous day, and now we're kind of just starting to dry things out.
Yeah, Joe, we had an upper level low that kind of just got cut off from the main jet and spun over the area pretty much the entire day yesterday. We started off in the morning. We had a half inch to 80 hundredths of precipitation to start off the day, and then it just pretty much moved back in by midday and just continued during the overnight hours. That activity now has moved into south central Kansas. We got northwesterly breezes that are bringing some drier air in behind that. Temperatures that have dropped down to 50 degrees out in Ray, 52 in Burlington, 54 in Colby and Oberlin, and 55 in McCook. You get a little further east, and we're in that 59-degree readings in Norton and Hill City. That northwest wind at 10 miles per hour. Rainfall totals through that period have reached up there to near 3 inches of rainfall in some locations. We've got here in Atwood, we had a 290, and also just in the Colby area, we're looking at 240, and just to the west of Colby is probably the heaviest amounts, anywhere from 3 to 5 inches. In the southern parts of Rawlins County, we had anywhere from 2.5 to 3 inches. So the Thomas and Rawlins County really got a lot of precipitation across the entire counties with this wraparound rain showers yesterday. Temperatures yesterday were in the lower 60s the entire day. It felt a lot like fall, and we're officially in that now. And today will be very similar. We'll start to see that low pressure move away. Skies will clear out. We'll have sunshine this afternoon that'll warm temperatures into the low to mid 70s. Those northwest winds will turn more northeast at 5 to 15 miles per hour, and then overnight turn to the south and west. With the clear skies and southwesterly light winds, we could see a little bit of patchy fog to start off tomorrow morning. Temperatures will be in the upper 40s to around lower 50s. Tomorrow, high pressure ridge starts moving over the area. We'll see temperatures warm into the upper 70s, low 80s, heading towards the middle 80s there to finish the week on Friday. And then over the weekend, that ridge will hold in place, and we're looking at 80 to 85 degree temperatures both Saturday and Sunday. Overnight lows will be in that 50 to 55 degree range. And then we've got a couple weak disturbances that will come through Sunday evening, Monday, and Tuesday that could trigger some scattered shower, isolated thunderstorm activity, not expecting a lot. Probably if we got under a shower or thunderstorm, we're less than a half inch, less than a quarter inch of total precipitation. The rest of next week looks dry and a little bit above normal temperatures there in the 70s, maybe hitting 80 degrees, overnight lows in the upper 40s and low 50s. And then rain and active western pattern will return on the days 10 through 14 in the extended forecast. That'd be like the 3rd of October, the end of next week, the following weekend, and through the 7th, early that second week of October. So that is kind of the weather pattern we got. We've had rain since Memorial Day, continues the slow harvest, so it's slowing wheat planting to get going here. Looks like we'll be still for a few more days, and maybe that drier weather over the weekend and next week will get us back out there doing some field work.
All right, once again, that's Ag Meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as WeatherValet for 106.1 KYVZ. I'm Joe Vazuri.